Hey there, all my Kinventors. I'm your girl, Kenzie. And thanks for tuning in to Kenzie's Kinventions. Oopsie, better clean that up. I used to hate cleaning up all my messes, and I bet you do too. Well, thanks to my latest, coolest convention. Flop Mops makes cleanup fun. Flop Mops are easy peasy to make. Here's everything you need. First, flip-flop or slippers, of course. You get extra Kinventer points if your flip-flops are super fabulous like these cuties. Second, you'll need 2 fluffy mop heads. The fluffier the better. Last, you stick the flippers onto the mops with some Velcro. Voila! Flip-flop mops! There you have it, Kinventors. Drop me a like and tell your friends about my channel. Ooh, and tune in next time. You never know what kind of incredible convention I'll come up with next.